Hey there, it's Coach Nancy with The Watering Mouth, where we give you the mindset and the recipes to lose the weight, eat to live for life, and love the process. I'm here today with an answer to a question. And now, we get this question a lot, and I get it probably with every client that I have in my private coaching. And the question is, how do I not snack? Have you ever asked yourself that question? It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon and you're jonesing for something. You just have to have something to put in your mouth. So you find yourself in the break room or in the kitchen and you're looking around for something to satisfy that urge. Well, I've got 3 tips, simple tips. Not easy, but simple. And they go something like this. 1, acknowledge. Acknowledge that what's going on when you think, how do I not snack? I want to snack. Acknowledge that that thought alone is creating this desire for eating something. The urge, the urgency of, I've got to put something in my mouth. Just thinking I need to have a snack creates that urge. And there's nothing that's gone wrong. That's the way it works. We have a thought, we have a feeling that is brought up by that thought. That's the way life is. There's nothing that's gone wrong. Just because it's an urge to eat something and it's not on your protocol, there's nothing that's gone wrong. So acknowledge, yep, it's just my body. Of course, I'm thinking this about food and I want it. So I've created that urge. And also check your attention meter. So acknowledge that nothing's gone wrong. Check your attention meter. And what I mean by that is, where is your attention? Is it on getting that thing that you're all of a sudden wanting to eat? You've created this urge by thinking about it, and now you want it, and your attention is how to get it or how to resist it or how to not get it, but it's all thoughts about that food. So just check that attention meter. And I say it that way because where your attention goes, energy flows. Now, that may be something that you have heard, but I'm going to apply it to this because it applies perfectly. My attention is on the food. My energy is going to go towards my feelings. The energy flow in me is going to go towards satisfying that urge. So acknowledge, check, and notice all of this is observing, right? We're just becoming aware of what's going on in our thoughts and in our body. And then the third thing, decide. Decide ahead of time what you're going to do when that happens, when you have that particular thought, that particular feeling. You decide ahead of time. I'm the kind of person who eats 3 meals a day or 2 meals a day, and I don't eat between meals. It's the kind of person I am. Nutritarians don't eat between meals, or whatever the thought is that's going to help you to not succumb to that urgent feeling when it arises. So acknowledge, check that attention meter, and decide ahead of time, or in the moment. If you get in that moment, you just tell yourself, I'm the kind of person who doesn't, and it's not even, you don't even entertain it. That's the point. You're not entertaining that thought and feeling thing that's going on. So if you would like some more about this, if this intrigues you about energy flow and thoughts and what you're creating in your life, in your food plan, in your health, in your life by your thoughts and your feelings, I love to support people. I would love to support you through this journey of eating to live and loving the process that we talk about. It can be done. Go to thewateringmouth.com/coachwithnancy, and there you can sign up and we can get on the phone and have a chat about what I can offer you to support you towards your goals and to help you not let snacks attack you like you may be battling with right now. So until next time, it's Coach Nancy from The Watering Mouth, where we do give you the mindset and the recipes to eat to live and love the process for good.